You ready for one more tutorial, one more design today? Let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Now this one you could go so many different directions with. You could do a back stitch all the way up and down and then up the middle as well. Or you could do something like this. I did the orange first and then I did a back stitch of red right up the middle. So let me do that with these two contrasting colors or complementary colors. Tie a knot. Hopefully you've had a chance to see some of our prior videos, and so you've got the hang of most of the stitches by now. Okay, so this one I'm going to start in the middle, always come up through the back. Aha, my knot wasn't big enough. Remember to take the paper masking off of it. It will make a whole lot easier. So come up from the back. If your knot is not very big, ooh, that was a mouthful, then just hold on to it and work it into your design. I'm going to go over to the left side, come back to the right, get that a little closer, come back in through the middle again, and there's our start. Come back up through the middle, to the left, to the right, to the middle. That's going to be stuck in your head for a while, isn't it? Up through the middle, to the left, to the right, and back to the middle. Well, I can think of worse things being stuck in your head, so I had some stupid commercial jingle stuck in my head the other day, and it wasn't even for a product I would ever use. So, good job, marketing team, for that company. You got the sticky commercial. I'm getting there, I promise. Don't forget, you'll get an email from me with some instructions and an SVG, a file that you can use with your Cricut or your Silhouette, and you can cut the backer out, and the backer can be cut out of felt or faux leather or real leather if it's thin, or the felt that has like the adhesive on it. That works really good too. And that just, if you want to cover up the back stitches, just gives you a way to do that. If you're not bothered by it, then don't be bothered by it, because it's really not that bad. Alright, almost done. Come back through. Normally I would tie this off and glue it down. I'm just going to tie it and cut it for now, just for the sake of time. Take my second color and I'm going to come up through the second hole, because remember we're going to do a back stitch. So we want to come up through the second hole, down through the first, up through the third, oops, you gotta hold on to it if you don't have a knot in there. I did not. And don't forget, in our prior videos we also talked about using a magnifying glass, a lighted magnifying glass. That really makes things a lot easier. I like doing different colors on the different elements on my design. One, it makes it easier for you guys to see what I'm doing, and two, I just think it makes the colors pop more. Can you tell I'm wishing fall would get here? Not winter, just fall. Pull out my fall colors. Oh, I think I hear rain now. It was thundering a minute ago. And we're done. Really pretty. Tie it off, clean it up, put a backer on, and you've got something beautiful to wear or give or sell. Let me see what y'all make.